Hello guys, welcome to a new tutorial video on the channel, and in this video I am going to show you how to zoom in a specific part of a video. So without wasting any time, let's begin. So the first thing you have to do is to download a software known as Camtasia Studio 8. In my last video was how to download Camtasia Studio, so you can go and check it out. And so after downloading Camtasia Studio 8, you will get an interference like this. So I'm going to close it because I have already imported a video, and I'm going to open that project. Now I'll drag the video onto the timeline. And here just press OK. And let me show you how it looks like. Now this is the main part where you will actually zoom the video, and to do this you will see a pan by zoom button. Just press on it and then adjust the area where you want your video to be zoomed, and let me show you. And I will just write a channel name. So to zoom out, you just click the here, and it will actually zoom out. So basically that's how you can easily zoom in and zoom out. Just drag where you want your video to be zoomed, and it will zoom the video here. Here you can see I am zooming on my channel. After adjusting, just play the video and it will actually zoom. I'll show you in the end how it looks like. And then just to zoom out, you just have to click here and it will zoom out the video. Now I will show you that again. Just drag and it's basically very simple and easy. And here you can see I'm clicking here, and to zoom out just press this button. So that's how you can easily zoom in or zoom out the video using Camtasia Studio. It is basically a paid software, but you can easily get it from the tutorial I showed you in my last video. So have a look. That's how does it look. It is basically very necessary if you are a YouTuber like me, and it is helpful for you guys as well. It will now zoom out, and that's how you will see. So that's how you can zoom a specific part of a video. And to render it, just click produce and then click next, choose the location and rename it, and then just click next, and it will render the video. That's how you can easily zoom in a specific part of a video. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button. If you are having trouble in any part of the video, let me know in the comment box. So that's all from today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, goodbye.